Hi and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I've got some subscriber mail today. So I've got a couple of things. I've got an envelope and I do have a package. On the back it does say surprise guess who, and then it's me saying ooh storage, and the person who sent it saying ooh individual pots. So I know exactly who that is. So thank you so much, Melissa. I do also have an envelope as well. I've got no idea what this says, though the person did ask me if I'd received it. So this is from Sherie. Oh, that's sweet. It's just a little thank you. And to say thank you for everything that you do. Videos are wonderful, and they received my package. I'm not sure if that's an order giveaway. I'd have to look that up. Doing them, thinking of you when I do them. It's like you know me. And thanks again, and I've got storage from your videos and I love it so much. Oh, that's fantastic. Oh, thank you again for picking my name. There we go. It's a giveaway. I did think it was, but you know when your brain, there's just so many names going around in my brain. And that's from Sherie in California. So thank you so much for that. I'll put that with all my sort of subscriber goodies that are up on a corkboard. I do keep all my little cards and letters. So let's have a look at what Melissa has sent. Storage, so I'm excited already. Oh, what have we got? It's very well wrapped up. Let's have a look. If I can get in it. The suspense, the suspense. Oh, these are different. Okay, let's have a look at one because the other one looks to be the same. So, oh, these are very much like the 28 containers, but individual. They look like they need a little bit of clipping, but that's fine. 2, 4, 6, 7, 14, 28. Brain's going, 35. 35 little individual pots. Oh, it does say push here too. Is that way or that way? Let's see. No, it's definitely that way. So it is one that if you push on the side, it will open up. But how sweet are those? They're well cute. Thank you so much, Melissa. I do like a good storage. I do like some nice little storage. So we'll have to see. I've got a couple now that I haven't tried that are new little individual pots from very kind people. So I'm definitely going to have to try those. I like the fact that this is a 35. It's a different number. When you've got a small painting but with lots of colours, this could be ideal. Let's have a look at the measurements just in case anybody is interested, but the whole case is 22 centimetres by about 11 centimetres, and the individual pots are approximately 3 centimetres high by nearly 3 wide, and then the depth is 1.5 centimetres inside, a bit more with the little catch there, but they're awesome. I like it. Thank you so much, Melissa. I am guessing this one is the same, but I'm just going to check in case by any weird twist of fate it's not. No, it does look the same. Oh, which is good because I like to kit up multiple different paintings at multiple different times. Yes, so we have got a second one of the same, but they are awesome. So thank you so much to Melissa and to Sherie. I like putting these up on my board. They make me smile. yeah, so a quick one from me today. Did turn out pretty quick, but very, very happy. Very grateful to you all for watching. But yeah, stay tuned. There will be more exciting videos coming up as per usual. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.